Bro, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
No, it has been really long.
That's true.
Really hope you made it in your husband.
Yeah. Thank God.
And I guess it was happening in nearly all countries. It was global. So let's talk. How did you manage blowing out in 2020 and yet things were very hard? Who was behind that?
I'm a teacher, also a videographer, and I'm a voiceover artist, and still many others that you will get to know.
He's a rapper that sounds attractive, makes the song that is really nice to you.
Oh yeah, that is Nasty Sing.
Nice to see.
Yeah.
In fact, we cover a very wide field. At times we cover educational department that is always handled by Professor Pachai.
Okay, low key, all of them notice. I'm not joking. All my guys them know me.
It was majorly based on political aspect. You know, at times politicians make promises and they fail to fulfill, leaving civilians in pain.